Alright, I left you guys last time as we had entered back into the woods here, and basically this is just a mixture of some roads, and then we hop off onto some more flowy single track with a little ATV trail mixed in, and I can basically tell we're going downhill overall and just kind of working our way off the top of this mountain. There is a one part coming up here in a minute at about the 4-minute mark that they had a bunch of danger signs up, but I'm glad that there was a guy right in front of me because we had to just drop straight off about a 4-foot little cliff, and if I wouldn't have been, if you weren't paying attention, you could just sky this thing. You'll see it here in just a second.
You do pretty good. Not feeling real tired or anything. A lot better. Drop off. Back on ledge. Man, I just be out there cruising. far. Has been an hour and a half. Maybe I'll be over it.
Alright guys, we've made it back out to what looks like it used to be the old motocross track. I was gaining killer time on people here the rest of the day, but this dirt in the video, it looks like you can just fly. This stuff was hard pack, powdery. I would actually go down in one of these turns on the second lap trying to make a pass. So although it looks like you can roll, there's not much to grab on. This would be the turn I would go down in later. But you just really had to tiptoe around this whole field section. But I was always happy to see this. I knew I was almost back to the finish line. Alright guys, so my strategy was, I knew I couldn't really swap batteries on my GoPro very quickly, so I carried an extra GoPro in my backpack, and if I had any trouble, or when I got tired, or just had a good chance to pull over, I was just going to swap GoPros completely. When I came around this finish line this lap, and saw that I was in third, really my competitiveness just kind of took over, and I thought, man, I got a good chance to podium or better in this race. So the screen says my position, name, class, and then I'm 20 seconds behind, I guess. I don't know if that's 20 seconds behind second, which would have been the last guy that checked through, or what, but I knew I wasn't far, so I decided to kind of hammer down and really just see how well I could do in this race. And I still end up getting another 20 or 30 minutes of footage, but definitely did not get the whole race. But I come around and I'm in third, and we're gonna put the hammer down here on the second lap because we kind of know what direction to go, where the turnoffs are, what to look for, and what the hazards are. So let's see who we can catch. That will be in the next part, so I hope you guys will jump in and watch with me again. Thanks.
The rock garden.